Okay, last group. Nova, Honk, and Bomber. Oh yeah. All right, guys. I'm just gonna let you out. Whoops. They were sleeping when I got them. I don't think they're quite awake yet. Here, puppy, here, puppy. Here, puppy, here, here. Here, uh-oh. The whole litter heard me whistle. Here, puppy, here, puppy. Okay, they're 4 weeks old, coming on here, and the whistle. Yeah, pretty much have the whole litter. Oh, wait, who's this? Way behind. Well, I'm trying to figure out how to work this telephoto here. Hey, you, what are you doing? Whining and whatever. Quackers! Because her favorite human being is nearby. So, yeah. Meanwhile, I've got the whole litter. Oh, goodness. Okay, Coot. All right, let me get those three so we can get some photos of them. Guys. Okay, so now we have Nova. I had said Creek before, but it's Nova, Honk, and Bomber. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, that's Nova right here. And then you're gonna have Bomber and Honk over there. Okay, puppies. That would be Nova. Motoring in. And, oh my goodness. Hello. Uh-oh. Okay, let's get some stills. Okay, we got Nova in the pool. That's Nova. Who's going in now?
Honk.
That's Honk. And
this is
big
Lazy Bones.
baby Bomber.
He'll get quiet as soon as you pick him up.
Nova and Honk. And Bomber.
Where's the point to this?
Hi, babies. Okay, Bomber's got his back to me, right? That's Honk in the middle and Nova on this side.
Yep.
Hey, Honk. Bomber. He's like, how can I get out? Want to go nap? You little bum. Reminds me of Commander when Commander was that little. Oh, I'm growing. I just want to eat and sleep. Hey, Nova. All right, little stinker. Hey, Honk. Nova, let's look at that face. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're getting back in. More like you're falling back in.
Oops. Nova makes a great escape. Hey, baby. Good girl. Come on, Honk. What's up, buddy? Listen, there must be something about this side. Nova got out.
Bomber got out.
Yeah. I must be trying to get out in the wrong spot.
Never mind, the pool's the same distance the whole way around.
Bonk. Hi, Nova.